Good morning everybody, I hope you all do very well. I'm going to attempt to try and explain how to make a colourful clock like this to help you tell the time. Right, the first thing you'll need is something circular. Now, I have got a plate, but you could use a piece of paper and draw around a plate and cut it out so you have got a circle. What's the first thing after that you'll do is you need to split it into half. Okay, equal on both sides. I've just drawn a line down the middle with a pencil. You can fold it in half if you need to. The next part, when we've got our split it into half, is to split it into quarters. Okay. Now, if you're in year 2 with me, you should know that that just means drawing another line in half, so you've got 4 parts. I have got my clock and it is split into quarters, but I need to split it into 12 parts. So I'm going to take a quarter at a time and I'm going to split this part of the clock into 2. Okay. Drawing it into the middle. Try and be as even as possible, but sometimes it doesn't work. Like that. You should have something that looks very similar to mine. Miss Owen has helped me with this one. And I should have 12 parts ready to start the colouring or painting process. Now, in year 2, we have been looking at primary colours and secondary colours. So if you wanted to, you could colour in parts of it with your primary colours and then start mixing to show what secondary colours makes. Or you could just have a bit of fun, like I did earlier, and just colour in it any colour that you would like. It is completely up to you. Once you have coloured it in, you need to write the numbers on your clock. Now, we know that our clock up here starts with a number 12. And we go round the clock with 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we need to make our hands for the clock, and we need 2 different sizes because our hour hand is smaller than our minute hand. Now the way I did this was I just took 2 pieces of coloured card, but you could just use paper, and I just cut very safely along, you might need an adult to help you, 2 pieces of card of a different colour. Okay, so you've got 2 pieces that look like this. The next thing to do is attach it to the clock, which gets a little bit harder. Now, lucky for me, I did have what we call a split pin. However, some of you might not have those at home, but blue tack, string, or your fingers and your hands will work just as well to attach it to your clock. Remember, the longer the hand is your minute hand. The smaller hand is your hour hand. Okay? And all you need to do is attach it with a split pin or blue tack to the middle of your clock. Like that. Should end up with something that looks very similar to this one, if not better, because you've had a little bit more time. And the time is today 25 past 10. So I'm going to use my minute hand to show 25 past 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. My hour hand's got to be pointing just past the 10 to 25 past 10. Please, if you do manage to make one of these, tweet us to let us know what you've done and stay updated for one of my new tutorials coming soon. Thank you, Miss Irwin, for helping me film this. I hope you all stay safe and we miss you lots and lots. Goodbye.